guys, what did I miss? I'm sorry, I've been gone for like ever. Wait, she did what?
Yeah.
Hold up. Isn't he a minor? Hey guys, I'm back and I'm sorry I'm so late, but I promise you it was definitely worth the wait. All day I'm getting calls on my cell, people who ignored me asking if I'm doing well. Normally that wouldn't put me in rage, except they're only calling cause I'm on their For You page. Now, let's not get defensive. There's other creators with bigger offenses. I don't care if he was your best friend, cause it's already weird all the time that you spend hanging out with someone who is only 13.
What?
Especially when you're trying to keep your record clean. We can see that you're trying to cut bail, but there's a place for people like you. It's called jail. I'm sorry, but I only tell the truth. It's honestly common sense. Protect our youth.
If you or anyone you know are in a similar situation, call this help hotline above.
Remember the words you told me, love me till the day I die. Surrender my everything, cause you made me believe you're mine. Yeah, you used to call me baby, now you're calling me by name. Takes one to know one, yeah, you beat me at my own damn game. Young blood, say you want me, say you want me out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. But you need it, yeah, you need it all of the time, yeah. Young blood, say you want me back in your life.
This is where you would like to go? Chelsea Spencer's gift. Really? Okay, well, I guess I need to find your grandmother a gift anyways. I was going to go to Hallmark, but I guess I can join you in this establishment. Well, I've never been here. What is it? Chelsea, you said this was a gift shop. Right, for gifts. I am here. I have not seen one novelty salt or pepper shaker. All I'm seeing is blouses with profane cartoons on them. Right? This is not a gift shop. This is my own personal hack. We will be talking about this. I saw a marijuana leaf on a mug. The devil's lettuce. Chelsea, why would they sell so many tutus? This is not a dance establishment. This is not a dance store. Something tells me the people here don't appreciate the fine art of ballet. I just went to the back of the store and you are grounded. 4 till college.
Do I have my homework? No. Why would I have my homework?
I'm gonna call your mom again.
Okay, I will get my homework out right now. Oh, it's a little bit spicy. Yeah, last night was crazy. I went to sleep at like 12:30 or 12:45. I like don't remember. I'm hanged over right now from my lack of sleep. Yeah, I spent all of last night on the app talking Angela. You know, the one with like the man living inside of her eye? We talked all night and like now we're dating or whatever. I'll throw up. No, like I'll do it. I'll throw up on the floor right now. I will. I'll do it. Have you ever been on Omegle? I have. It's like crazy. I don't know.
Hey guys, what are our plans for Halloween this year? Oh, we're gonna go trick-or-treating at a haunted house. Yeah, that's fine. I want to die anyway, so I want to go trick-or-treating and I want to die, so it's like a buy one, get one free. One sec, let me go put on my costume. I'm a bunny. Yeah, no, I just bought the ears because the whole costume was just too much money and I'm broke, so it's fine, I'm fine. Am I scared of the haunted house? No, I don't feel emotions anymore, so that's cool. Yeah, it's the literally not having feelings for me. Okay, so we're leaving now to go trick-or-treating? Okay, yeah, no, I'm okay. I liked my outfit before I left and now I'm just getting really insecure about it. I love Halloween, but God, I want to go home. I take pictures while my makeup's still really good because like in 30 minutes from now, I'm not gonna look the same. I already came up with really good Instagram captions, so now we have to take pictures. Shoddy, a little baddie, she my little boo thing. Do you guys get it? Yeah, I got it off of TikTok.
Hey girlies, are you guys almost ready for the party? You are? Okay, Sarah, what are you wearing? That's what you're wearing? Sarah, you know this is like it's like a party. It's not a hangout. Like you have to dress nicer than, okay. I like it. I like it. I would ask you, Jessica, but we're already wearing matching tops, so I know what you're wearing. Oh, Sarah, we didn't think that you'd want to match with us. That's why we didn't tell you. Yeah, but like, Sarah, I'm actually surprised you got invited to the party because like, I thought that everybody thought you were weird, but like, I guess not, apparently. So are you staying for the whole thing, Sarah? Oh, you are? But like, The thing is, like, who are you gonna hang out with? Because, like, you're not really friends with anybody there. And, like, me and Jessica are gonna be hanging out with, like, Dylan and Matthew. Right, Jessica? Yeah, and, like, I just feel like it's gonna be weird if you go. Like, you can go, it's just, like, I'm letting you know right now, like, it's gonna be awkward for you. Also, my mom can't drive you.
Glow Up LEDs is having a flash sale with 40% off on their best-selling LED strips. Click the link in the description and use the discount code below for an extra 10% off. Orders go towards supporting this channel.
Seriously, guys, I need to be up early. But your mom said lights out. I'm going home, you guys. I'm literally gonna go home. Seriously, go to sleep. I'm not kidding. Shh. 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 Be quiet. I have soccer in like 9 hours. And nobody even cares. Who's playing Truth or Dare? Stop. I'm telling your mom. I'm going to get your mom, Ashley. I am. Yeah, I am actually. You guys don't get it because you don't have soccer. No one here plays a team sport besides me. And that really says something for my character. Please stop talking. Stop. Stop. Who is touching my sleeping bag? You guys whisper. Shh. You guys aren't whispering. Who farted? Ashley, did you fart? You guys are so immature.
Excuse me, what do you think you're doing? Oh, you want to play hangman on the whiteboard? Huh! No, you can't. This is a classroom, a grown-up classroom. This is not a preschool classroom, and in this classroom, we learn about algebra. So I want you to put that marker down, go back to your seat, and apologize to the teacher for misbehaving. Oh, what's that? The teacher gave you permission to play hangman? No way. Excuse me, miss. Is this true? Did you give them permission to play hangman instead of working on their worksheet? You gave them permission to do that. This is awful, okay? This is a school. This is not some playground where we can play games and do whatever we want. I'm reporting you to the principal for not being qualified to do your job.
People always told me, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. And mother always told me, be careful who you love. And be careful what you do. After the love becomes the truth. Hey, really James, not my love. She just a girl. Thinks that I'm the one. But the kid is
Dare. So you want me to sing? You know I can't sing in front of people. You know I can't sing in front. Brandon, you want me to sing? Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, oh my gosh. I'm literally so bad at singing. No, I'm not. I'm so bad. Do you want me to sing, Brandon? Do you want me to sing? Do you want me? Okay, what do I even sing though? Like, what do I even sing? Like, I don't even know. Oh, okay, I have an idea. Okay. Don't judge me, please. Like, I know I'm so bad, but just, okay. I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with a Peter Pan. Oh my god, stop. No, it was so bad. It was so bad. Are you guys gonna tell me it was really good? Hey, thank you, but no, like, I'm so bad. It's so
I was fine for I met you. I was broken but fine. I was lost and uncertain, but my heart was still mine. I was free for I met you. I was broken but free. All alone in a clear view, but now you are all I see. Hey, wait a minute. No, you can't do this to me. Wait a minute. No, that's not fair. Hey, wait a minute. You're on me like jewelry. So scared. Why you have to go and make me like you? Yeah, this is a feeling I'm not used to. Why you have to go and make me
Guys, stop laughing. Stop laughing. This is serious business. I really like your pants. Stop! You're so hot. You're so hot. Have you ever wanted to, like, I don't know, go on a date with me? Psych! You really think I would go on a date with you? Out to the G! He fell for it! I would never go out with you. I'm popular. I'm pretty. You're literally disgusting. Fat chance.